In this video, I'm gonna show you how two people that had no idea about online business, about how to build a company, how to build a Shopify store, built a $961,000 per month absolute machine. They're growing every single day. They have a full team of people and they're absolutely crushing all their competition. We're gonna go into the entire strategy, how you can replicate it yourself and how you can grow to that level yourself. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? It's Rafael here, and like I said in this video, we're gonna go over a brand that has built an absolute machine, almost $1 million a month at this point in the span of about 4 years, absolutely crushing it at this point. $1 million a month, great product, great business, beating out all of their competitors. We're gonna go through the entire strategy, what they do, what sort of ads they do, and what's their story as well. How did they get to that 1 million a month level so you can potentially replicate it yourself as well. And before we start, if you're interested in working directly with me to take your e-commerce dropshipping business to the absolute next level, we have students doing 1,000 a day, 100,000 a month. If you're interested in that, make sure to schedule a free call with the first link in the description. Put in your application. We'll talk to you directly. It's a free one-on-one call. You don't have to pay anything. If you're interested in the mentoring and working with me, make ahead and go and schedule a call, and I'll see you on the call. If you want an exclusive list of winning products that I prepared for my mentoring program, people that pay to get access to me and lists and exclusive modules, you will get that list completely for free. I'll pick one person from every single video. If you comment secrets, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll pick one person from this video. So let's get on to it. This is the brand that is absolutely crushing it. It's called Wondered.com. And it's kind of funny, and the story behind how they came up with the name and how they got the whole business in the beginning, and I pulled it up, their story. They started out with zero. Absolute zero. They had no money. They didn't even have money to buy Wondered.com, the name that they initially wanted, which was Wondered.com. You can see it right here. They couldn't buy it. It was for $20,000. They had maybe $200, $500, maybe $1,000. So they bought Wondered for $9.99. They then went on and looked for the type of product that they wanted to sell. They wanted to sell travel bags. They were travelers that were going throughout the world, these two guys, and they were wanting to create a new type of product for people just like them. They didn't want to sell trash. They didn't want to sell whatever product made them money. They wanted to sell something that was dear to them, that they knew about the market. They understood what kind of people wanted to buy that type of product, so they went on and trying to source it. They finally sourced it, and they launched a Kickstarter, which made them about $110,000. And at that point, when they made $110,000 from a Kickstarter campaign, they still didn't take any money. If that's not dedication, I don't know what is. They actually owed $10,000 from what they made in the Kickstarter. So again, they were in debt. They were trying to launch again. They launched again, and $400,000 later, they made from that next campaign. Then Wonder was built. Now it's an absolutely huge company. In about 5 years, 5 or 4 years, $480,000 to $961,000 estimated by Salesforce. I think they're more in the $960,000. I wouldn't be surprised if they're at $1 million a month already at this point. And the company basically sells adventure camera bags or camera backpacks, just like this one. And what they did, which is part of what I want you to understand about what it takes to build a successful brand and company, is understanding an audience. Once you pick what sort of product are you going to sell, you need to understand the audience. They understood travelers, they understood photographers, people that move a lot, and they need a specific type of bag. Maybe there's other people that are selling the same product, the same type of product, but they don't market it in the way that they do because they understand their audience. If we look at, for example, the travelers section right here, Born on the Road, our year is a culmination of traveling to over 90 countries, 7 continents, countless nights of traveling, and that's how they created that particular bag. That story of the people that create the brand, that understanding of the audience is really what it takes to get to that level and to beat everybody else. I see so many people, maybe you're at this point right now, you're trying to sell whatever product makes you money, and I work with students one-on-one and help them, and those people, sometimes I get students that say, hey, I just want to sell whatever will make me money, whatever will make me some profit really quickly. That's a wrong mindset to enter it. The right mindset is to do something that at least you understand, you can relate, or at least you buy for yourself, so you can create a better product than them, or at least market a better product, because they've created their own product, but that's not necessary. Thanks to dropshipping, you can source a product that is already made, but the marketing, it's where it's at. If you look at their ads library on Facebook, it's absolutely amazing, all the ads that they have on here. For example, this one right here, the first one that shows up, we strive to create products that inspire people to get out and live passionate lives. Our PRVKA pack is the perfect backpack for photography, travel, or even daily use. And the features that it has, and this backpack has been featured in Forbes, USA Today, and National Geographic. It's a massive brand that you can feature everywhere. That doesn't happen from creating a store, selling whatever, hoping that it's profitable in 2 months, and then everything starts to happen. No, it starts happening with commitment, with discipline, year after year after year, and building a brand that is creating an impact on people, and it's actually providing products that people want to buy. And in the video right here, you can check out the video, and it's a really cool video. If you're selling anything like bags or anything related to that, this might be a really good method for you to use. It's a stop motion picture video, which slowly goes into putting everything together in the bag and then closes the bag, and that's how the video ends. I highly suggest you check it out. There's some on Upwork, you can find somebody to create an stop motion video, which is a really solid video. When people see it, it's kind of pleasing to the eye. You can just look at stop motion video on Upwork and find somebody that might do a for you right here. Animator, video producer, illustrator, designer, animator, cinematic shooting. All of these tend to do these stop motion videos that I highly recommend you do if you're a product that this makes sense for. Now, let's keep going on there, and these are all for the camera bags, but this one in particular, PRVK backpack, was designed to handle all of your needs when traveling. Its minimalist designs allows for comfort and a padded back panel to help you focus on the moment rather than worry about what you're carrying. This is only possible by understanding the audience that they're selling to. They're not trying to sell, hey, buy it now, this product is so amazing, buy it here, click now, 50% off. No, they're going into why do you need this product? We know that you worry about what you're carrying all the time when you're traveling instead of enjoying the moment and focusing on the moment. They put that in the ad copy, now they're beating everybody else that's trying to sell a bag for $100, not really knowing the audience. And now, if we look at another one, for example, this one right here, when you're traveling across the globe or exploring your old city, this is the perfect lightweight minimal solution, packed with features. And now they talk about the features that people are interested in. And then the bag is the perfect balance of having enough bag while also keeping it minimal. And that's also about the audience. People in this audience, they worry about having enough room to carry the things that they do, and not carrying a bunch of things that they just can't enjoy anything because they're carrying too much. This only comes from understanding the audience. So check out the video right there. And it's rather a long video. So what she does is she pulls out the bag. And it's basically showing out the bag, the brand, Wondered. And ads like this, what I want you to understand is that ads like this, ads that make $1 million a month, they're only made by understanding the audience. I see so many people, specifically in dropshipping, they want to start a huge business, make a bunch of money, make $100,000 a month, and they don't even bother to pick an audience and understand that audience. And this is absolutely crucial. All the other ones are the same. No matter what you wonder, there's only one bag from every occasion. And all the things that people are looking for in these types of bags, they probably researched this to the bone and tried to find out exactly what people are looking for in a bag and then created it right there. One bag, one lifestyle. They also have a Wondered Instagram page, which is pretty big. They share their photography. They share the bags, obviously, on here. And they share beautiful pictures, which also ties into creating a long-term sustainable brand, which is the best way to really build a successful dropshipping or e-commerce business in general. It's not just to sell whatever product makes you money for the long term, trying to get these Facebook ads up. Oh, maybe it doesn't work. Oh, let's get this one. You can test products that way. You can definitely test products, try to get which product is working. You know, if you really don't know what to sell, you really don't know what audience to sell, what niche to sell, definitely product testing is key. You need to learn that process of launching an ad, seeing how it performs, getting feedback, and then launching another product, another ad. But if you want to make millions, if you want to go the extra mile, if you want to beat your competition, you really need to create a brand off of it. They also have a YouTube page right here where they show off lifestyle and products right there. And the ads just keep piling on about knowing the audience. These ads have been running for a while. And this one is, hey Wonder friends, if someone you knew was on the fence about getting a Wonder bag, what would you tell them? So let's click on that. Let's leave some words of wisdom. And let's click on what that ad tells us. All right, it doesn't lead us to anywhere, but if somebody you knew was on the fence about getting a bag, what would you tell them? That is a great way to do customer feedback or a customer survey, customer research, by asking the audience that already bought from you, if they're on the fence about buying from you, or somebody in their family, their friends, is on the fence about buying from you, what would they tell them? And now you know, okay, this is what people love about our bags. This is why people bought our bag in the first place, and you can use it in your marketing as well. On Salesforce, you can see they're launching a lot of products as well. So they're launching this one 10 hours ago, 3 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 months ago, 2 months ago. And they're launching multiple products. So they just don't stick to one. They do internal testing inside of their own audience, inside of their own niche already. You can also do this when you build up a couple of sales, or you build up a nice audience from your email list or from your audience on Instagram, on Facebook. Then you can test products inside of that audience. You can maybe send an email. You can do a retargeting ad for people that bought from you with another product to see if it could be a fit for those people, to then push it out to the cold market, to people that don't know anything about who you are. This brand is absolutely amazing. They created amazing products, absolutely crushing it. This is the Turbo theme. By the way, it says it's a copy of Turbo and Seoul, but this one in particular is the Turbo theme. It's about $400 at this point, but you can get it, and it does make your website look a lot more efficient. They have videos, they have beautiful images. This is a great way to do an image for your product, is by putting the specific features on the product, just like this one. So they have quick draw, side access, water bottle, and so on. Then who is this for? Photographers, travelers, commuters. You can do that as well for any product that you're testing. Whatever product you're testing, you can say, who is this for? This person, this person, this person, and maybe even who is this not for? You really want to hone in into who is this product for, what it does for you, what are the features, and what exactly it provides value to that person, because then it differentiates you from all the other people just trying to sell. You actually care about your customer and actually care about getting them a good quality product. They don't even have reviews on here. They have reviews somewhere else, but they don't have reviews on this page, and they're still absolutely crushing it. A bag for $184. I've seen people try to sell bags for $20, $30, and they can't. It's because they don't understand the audience, their ads don't resonate with the audience, and the page and the branding in general just doesn't resonate with anybody. So if you want to do $1 million a month, that is a strategy, building a brand in the long term. If you have no idea what to sell, what kind of products you need to put on your store, you're just clueless, I prepared a list of 21 winning products that you can test and sell yourself. Again, don't go in it with the mindset of, I'm just gonna sell whatever makes me money. These products, I've curated them and I found them that are the best for you to sell right now. But remember, the long-term game is to build a brand, stay disciplined. That's where the big money comes from. Check out the video right there of the top 21 winning products. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you want to schedule a call with our team, it's the first link down in the description. Go ahead and schedule that call with our team. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video. Remember, it's sticking to the long term. You can use one of these products. They're amazing. Stick to the long term and absolutely crush it. I'll see you on the next one.